there you are. And really, I hope to see you soon. Perhaps we can get together. Who knows? And thank you for everything.
So here perfect. So here we are at Betty's place, and it's Saturday, and it's the 12th, and Ada is here.
Hi, Kelly.
I'm going to do a little video tour of the apartment. That
Does the bed need to be made up?
well, I won't show that part. There's the bedroom, and yeah, it's kind of a two-part thing. So yeah.
Well, I miss my little house.
Sure.
Yard. The house is gone.
Oh.
Oh, it's gone? They moved it?
Gone. Literally went to Central California. Somebody wanted to have bigger houses put in this park that I was in. And so there's a park developing in Central California somewhere. So all the smaller two-bedroom houses were sent there. Because that's what this was a kind of movable house.
Well, I think it's fitting that after you were done with it, it didn't need to be in Morgan Hill anymore.